Hi, this is Mona for ThermOWeb, and today I am going to show you a quick and easy technique on how to create a pretty card even if you are currently low on your mojo. I hope you keep watching this video. Let's start the card making. In this video I am going to use Deco foil flock transfer sheets in various colors by ThermOWeb. The first step is very simple and easy. All you need to do just cut lots of stripes from your favorite flock transfer sheets. I decided to cut them by 5¼ by 1/4 inches. The next step is to put these stripes together. I am just picking the right colors and adhering with purple tape by ThermOWeb. Because I wanted to make this colorful part in 5¼ by 4 inches, I used 16 stripes. The next step was the die cutting. I ran the largest die from the Imperial stitched rectangle dies by Heffy Doodle with white cardstock through my die cut machine. This will be my card base. Next, I am going to die cut leaves from the Autumn Wishes StampnStencil die set by Gina Designs, as well as the Amazonian leaf dies by Heffy Doodle. I made the die cuts from white and gold cardstock as well as vellum. Okay, I know, it looks like lots of die cutting, but you will see this is a really fast technique because you don't need to follow cutting lines. Also, there is no stamping, no ink blending, and if you don't like coloring, this video is for you. Just a quick and easy technique, and it is perfect for bulk card making too. Once the die cutting is done, I am applying the Deco foil metallics gel in purple gold color with Deco foil stencil pen through the coordinated stencil. If you want, you can make the same process with the Deco foil transfer gel duo, and you can create leaf veins with Deco foil flock in different colors. This time I am going to use only metallics gel, but feel free to try the other too. I will let the gel dry 1 hour. Until then, I am going to die cut the sentiment. I decided to use the stitched alphabeters dies by Heffy Doodle and create my own sentiment. Because the background is colorful, I decided to create the text in white. However, I also wanted to add more dimension to the letters, so I added a piece of white cardstock to a Deco foil foam adhesive and ran it through the die cut machine with the letter dies. When it was done, I added the letters to their right place. The Teal ruler is really helpful to make the sentiment straight. Next, I styled the leaves. Many of you wrote that you enjoy my styling process, so this speed styling is for you. Once the styling is done, I am adding some tiny star confetti to embellish my card. And the cards are ready! I hope you have enjoyed my projects for today. Let me know in a comment what sentiments would you create for these cards. As always, you can find the used supplies below. Thanks for watching, see you next time, have an amazing day, bye!